Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. With an unboxing here, it's inside this box right there. That's right, that's what you see here. Adding a little bit of more gold to the stack, trying to get to the goal, which I actually kind of forgot what it was. The goal was sort of was offset with some platinum purchases, but I digress. And here we go. We're going to dive into this thing, see what we've got inside of the package here. Cutting down deep and removing the other contents there, which is actually, I'm going to actually do this, and you're going to watch me suffer through this unboxing, indeed. All right. Cutting down through, safely, by the way. You're going to see the knife begin to appear in just a moment as I cut down. There it is. All right, very good. Now, we have reached into the inner package. And the inner package is going to be chaotic about it. We're going to slice and dice into this so that we can get things out of it. That includes the all right. We got it from AppMax. The Route 66 series. Look at that. Cadillac Ranch, we have that. Those little cards here. Swan series. We've got the 2017 version of that. But this is what we're looking for. Yes, indeed. That is indeed what we're looking for. And we're also looking for this here, too. Little softy and cuddly kitty has joined the fray here. Just enough time to disappear into the maelstrom, but this is what we were after. It is a 1 ounce Britannia. 2020 is the year of issue for this thing, and purchased that. Add to the stack of gold. There's the queen, and with the galoche pattern, which appears to be just as we saw on the 2020 new Queen's Beast coins, the galoche pattern seems to be a bit more subdued this year, which is interesting. Still very intricate, but not quite as pronounced. In some way, it kind of provides a cool, kind of a backing of it, but but it's nice. I like the rays in the background here on the reverse of the coin. That's kind of has a cool little pattern to it. In some ways, for these Britannias, I kind of wish they would keep that pattern for the obverse. That would be really cool to have that pattern behind the queen there. Rays going out. That would provide some continuity, I think, between the obverse and reverse. There it is. All right, very good. So there's another ounce added to the stack of gold. 100 pounds is the denomination on this particular piece, and it has a reeded edge to it. And the date on this thing is the year 2020. It's the first regular issue 2020 bullion product that I've purchased this year, and 2019 here is the year of purchase for this one, but nonetheless, do hope to add more 2020 coins in the future. But this is a very brilliant, lovely coin, and the Royal Mint has done a wonderful job this particular piece. And of course, gold is one of those metals that it can't milk spot, which is nice. So be able to add this to the collection is it's fine and dandy. So there you go. All right. Very good. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.